One of the main reasons people elect to store lists in Excel is to be able to quickly sort them, to put them in a useful order by one or more fields in the list, which makes it easier to find records that are of particular interest. Using our list of U.S. cities, let's look at our sorting options. Excel allows us to sort by one field quite easily. Just click in any cell in the column you want to sort by, and then on the Home tab, click the Sort button. You can choose to sort in ascending or descending order, which will appear as Sort A to Z or Sort Z to A if the column contains text, or Sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest if the column contains numbers. There's also a set of sort buttons on the Data tab. Here, fixed buttons, A to Z and Z to A sort appear, and you'll use them to sort alphabetical or numerical fields in ascending or descending order. There's also a Sort button that allows you to sort by more than one field. To demonstrate that, we'll sort by state, and then within each state, by population. For this type of sort, it doesn't matter which cell is active when you click the Sort button, though your active cell must be within the data. You'll be picking which fields to sort by using a dialog box. When I click the Sort button, the Sort dialog box opens, and from the first Sort By row, I'll choose State, and then set the order to A to Z. Note that all of the field names, the headings in row 3 from the worksheet, appear in the drop list for me to choose from. Next, I click the Add Level button, and a Then By row is added. And here I'll choose Population. I also want to set the order for that sort, and I'll pick smallest to largest, so that the least populous cities appear first this time. I could continue to add levels, but that would only work if the population sort created groups of records with the same exact population. Building multiple field sorts requires that your sorting creates groups so that the next field you sort by has something to do. And now my list is sorted by state, and as promised, each group of cities by state is in order by their population total.